Welcome to Mother Daughter Projects. I'm Steph. Today we're going to install Ikea floating shelves. First, we headed to Ikea to pick up some shelves. We're going to install 2 of these in my nephew's bedroom and 2 of these in my niece's bedroom. These shelves are secured to the wall with a metal support piece and include screws to attach the shelf to the support. But it doesn't include hardware to attach the metal support to the wall. We're going to be using hardware packs that we've used in the past and really like, and they use a butterfly style anchor. This is the location for the first set of shelves. We're using a magnetic stud finder to find the studs in the wall. We wanted to hit as many studs as possible, but we were only able to hit them in the middle and then use the anchors for the rest. The instructions recommend using at least 5 screws to secure the metal bracket to the wall. When you're attaching the metal bracket, be aware of where the holes are on the metal poles. Those holes need to be facing down in order to screw the wood to the metal. We double-checked the wall studs, then figured out the placement for the top shelf using a book to get the spacing right. We lined up the bracket to make sure it was perfectly aligned, then we repeated the process on the second shelf. Then we just slid the shelf on top and used the included screws to secure them together. On to my niece's room. We're going to use the same shelves but in white. We repeated the same process. We had to drill larger holes for the anchors to fit in, which caused some of the insulation to come out, so we either stuffed it back in or pulled it out. When installing my nephew's shelves, we noticed the screws we were using had a head that was almost the same size as the holes in the bracket. It seemed to work okay, but for my niece's shelves, we decided to add a washer for added security. We made sure everything was level before securing all the screws. My niece is younger, so we wanted to make the shelves more her height, but she will obviously grow, so we designed the lower shelf so that it could be moved up above the top shelf in the future, and then that placement would be the same that we did in my nephew's room, who's already a teenager and pretty tall. And here we're securing the wood shelf to the metal bracket. Here's an after view of the shelf in my nephew's room. You can see it fits perfectly in the space next to the window. These shelves are currently $30 at Ikea, which makes them an affordable option for display wall shelves. The Ikea instructions say that if you're attaching to wood joists, the max that it can hold is 33 pounds. But if you're using wall anchors, it says it holds 11 pounds. So we used a mixture of both, so I can't say for sure how much it will hold, but for displaying, this is going to be perfect. And here's a look at my niece's shelves. They fit perfectly right above her bed frame and right next to her closet. If you want something a little bit more custom for shelving, check out the shelving we built for my other nephew's room. The price was higher as it was custom, but we were able to fill a larger space by making them ourselves. If you want to see more projects from us, be sure to visit us at motherdaughterprojects.com. And don't forget to like this video if you like it and subscribe right here on YouTube.